Okay, looks like it's in decent shape. Box has got some banged up corner there. Not great, but not terrible. You want to hold this for me?
Okay.
You're videotaping. Keep it on the camera. I mean, on the vacuum. Okay, look at that. You want to go and get more of the camera? I mean, the vacuum? All along the tape lines? That's where we're going to open it. So this vacuum normally retails for $1,100 on Amazon. And we got it for $308 or something like that. Just because it's renewed or whatever.
Yeah.
Probably the biggest issue is that we might not have a warranty anymore.
Yeah.
But for this thing. So let's keep going here. Are we still recording?
And then.
You're still recording.
Oh, hi.
Okay, so it comes with a Happy Filter.
Yeah.
Fancy one. Comes with a bunch of bags.
Yep.
They're all fancy, legitimate, meaty bags.
Yeah, they so much.
Okay, comes with some of these pre-filter or exhaust filters.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Here's the power head. The power head is like $200 by itself. And so this whole thing is $300, which is kind of a crazy deal. And the power head looks, it looks unused. Like, completely unused. Like, literally nothing. I don't see anything at all. No dirt, no hair. Not even a single scratch. It's still in what looks like a manufacturer bag. This thing is like brand new, which is amazing. Okay. And come over here, look inside. Let's see what we got in here. Are you still recording? Yep. All right.
Whoa.
Inside of here, there is the vacuum itself. It's like a C3 pet and cat and dog hair or something like that. They have a million different versions of these vacuums. So. Okay.
Open
This one's supposed to come with a power head and a bunch of other heads. A bunch of like parquet floor one.
Oh my god!
This looks pretty good. This instruction manual looks like it might have been looked at before. This bag looks pretty stock. Here's the Turbo Mini.
Yep.
This is for
Ooh.
This is still sealed in the original plastic. This has never been opened. And here's another manual there. Here's the metal wand.
Oh my.
It looks brand new too. I don't see any fingerprints or dings or scratches. There's no dirt in the tube. So far, man, I think we scored. This thing's looking brand new to me. Here's our parquet twister head.
What
Brand new.
pocket?
This is for use on hardwood floors. And this is like
Inky
brand new. That's
dinky.
incredible.
I see
Okay.
inky.
And then here is our nozzle head. This looks like it could have been in the factory this way, or it could have been rebagged. But if it was rebagged, it was done well. Man, I don't see any signs of use like at all on this thing. Honestly, it looks like this thing just got shuffled around and shipping a bunch. Maybe it got shipped to somebody and because the box was a little dinged, and then it just became refurbished. I'm not sure. So here's our main unit here.
Yep.
Let's get a good shot of that. That's really what we're buying here. And nice pack. Looks like a factory pack job. Looks like factory padding.
And bubble way.
This thing looks unused completely.
Bubble
No,
way.
we don't need that. Let's get this guy. Let's get the vacuum. Show the feet here. Look at these feet. I don't see any lines or scratches on the rubber.
Yep.
Okay. I don't see any dirt. I don't see any scuffs. I mean, I see nothing. The front part here, you would expect to have a bunch of scuffs on it. Man,
Ooh.
nothing. Look at this. It still has this little insert here. This little pull-out piece that tells you pull this out before you use it for the first time.
Okay.
I'm not a vacuum expert, so I don't know how this works, but I'm gonna have to read the instructions. But that's an unboxing, and we look like we're good to go.
And more bubble wrap.
Yep. So.